Write down the topic pulse. P-U-L-S-E, pulse. Write down definition. 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 D-E-F-I-N-I-T-I-O-N. Definition. Write down pulse is the palpable bounding. Pulse is the palpable bounding. B-O-U-N-D-I-N-G. Bounding. Palpable bounding of the blood flow. Palpable bounding of the blood flow. B-L-O-O-D. Blood flow. F-L-O-W. Blood flow. Noted at various points. Noted at various points of the body. Noted at various points of the body. Noted at various points of the body. Where the artery is near the surface. Where the artery is near the surface. Where the artery is near the surface. S-U-R-F-A-C, surface. And passes over a bone. And passes over a bone. B-O-N-E, bone. And passes over a bone. B-O-N-E, bone. Where blood is pumped into the arteries. When blood is pumped into the arteries. When blood is pumped into the arteries by the contraction of the left ventricle. By the contraction of the left ventricle. By the contraction of the left ventricle. Heart has how many chambers? Sajarika Debbarma?
4.
Yes. So, 2 atria and 2 ventricles. Okay. So, when blood is pumped from the left ventricle, okay, there will be contraction. Okay, which will lead to the blood to pump into the arteries. Okay. So, in bracket, you just write down normal pulse rate is 70 to 80 beats per minute. 70 to 80 beats per minute. Just you can write B also, okay? Small b per min. Beats per minute. Small beats per minute. Close the bracket. Next, full stop. After that, you write down regulation of pulse.
Ma'am, 70 to 80, okay.
70 to 80 beats per minute. Beats. Your heart beats, right? Tick, tick, tick. So, beats per minute. Okay, beats per minute. Regulation of pulse. Please underline it. Regulation of pulse. Regulation of pulse. Change the paragraph and write down. Pulse is regulated by the autonomic nervous system. Pulse is regulated by the autonomic nervous system, SYSTM system, through the sinoatria valve. Through the sinoatria mode. Not write valve, you just write mode, M-O-D, mode. Sinoatria mode. Open a paragraph.
Ma'am, what? Ma'am, system to the
System through the sinoatria mode, M-O-D, mode. S-I-N-O, sinoatria mode, M-O-D, mode. Open a bracket and write down, often known as pacemakers. Often known as pacemaker, pace, P-A-C-E, pace. Often known as pace, P-A-C-E, pacemakers, M-A-K-E-R-S, pacemakers.
Ma'am, can you please repeat? I couldn't hear anything.
Yes. From the beginning.
Regulated by the autonomic.
Regulated by the autonomic nervous system. Autonomic nervous system. Autonomic nervous system. Afterwards, you write through the sino, S-I-N-O, sinoatrial, A-T-R-I-A-L, sinoatrial node, N-O-D, node, sinoatrial node. Open a bracket and write down also known as pacemakers. Also known as pacemakers. PAC, pacemakers, M-A-K-E-R-S, makers. Close the bracket, put a full stop and write down parasympathetic stimulation. Parasympathetic stimulation. Parasympathetic stimulation. P-A-R-A, parasympathetic, S-Y-M-P-A-T-H-E-T-I-C, parasympathetic stimulation, S-T-I-M-U-L-A-T-I-O-N, stimulation increases the heart rate. Increases the heart rate. So this parasympathetic stimulation is what? It is responsible for activities. Okay, when you are at rest, the activities that is done by your body, it is controlled by the parasympathetic system. Okay, like lacrimation, salivation, urination, all these are examples. Okay, then increases the heart rate. Full stop. The quantity of blood forced out of the quantity of blood, BLOOD blood, forced out of the left ventricle, forced out of the left ventricle, forced out of the left ventricle during each contraction, during each contraction, during each contraction, left ventricle, ventricle, V-E-N-T-R-I-C-L-E, ventricle, V-E-N-T-R-I-C-L-E, ventricle, left ventricle during each contraction is called stroke volume, is called stroke, S-T-R-O-K, stroke volume, is called stroke volume. Stroke volume means the number of contractions. Okay, like for adult male, the normal blood pressure, the normal pulse rate will be 72 beats per minute. Okay, normally in a normal adult, 72 times the heart beats per minute in a minute. Understand? But the normal range is between 70 to 80 is the normal range. Understood? Just open a bracket and write down 72 beats per minute for normal adult, for a normal adult, 72 beats per minute for a normal adult. Then you write down cardiac output, cardiac, C-A-R-D-I-A-C, cardiac output, O-U-T-P-U-T, cardiac output. Cardiac output, put a dash and write down, it is the amount of blood, it is the amount of blood, it is the amount of blood, B-L-O-O-D, it is the amount of blood pumped out per minute, pumped out per minute. So cardiac output is what? It is the amount of blood that is pumped out through your body per minute. Okay, pumped out per minute. Put a full stop and then you write the volume is determined by, 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 the following formula. By the following formula. By the following formula. The volume is determined by using the following formula. There is one formula for calculating the cardiac output. Okay. So below you write down cardiac output. Cardiac output is equal to, write down, is equal to, cardiac output is equal to stroke volume STROK, stroke volume into pulse rate. Stroke volume into pulse rate.
Cardiac output equals to
Stroke volume, stroke STROK, stroke volume into pulse rate, PULSE, pulse rate, rate. Stroke volume, just put a bracket below and write down the meaning of stroke volume. What is it? Volume of stroke volume is the volume of stroke volume is the volume of blood in millimeters. In ml, just write down volume of blood in ml, milliliters. Okay. Stroke volume means the volume of blood in ml, milliliters. Okay. Into pulse rate. Pulse rate means your normal pulse rate. Okay. Then below you write down, change the paragraph and write down heart function can be assessed by, heart functions can be assessed by, heart functions can be assessed by section A and B. Please give me your roll numbers later on. Okay. Just write and give me. Write in a piece of paper and please give it to me so that I can mark your attendance. Okay. And Rohan, you please give me that last Friday's attendance for section B. Okay, only for section B. Because for the practical temperature, like I have not uploaded the video for section B. So for section B, you please give it to me the attendance. I will upload it today.
Yes.
Heart function can be assessed by palpating the heart function can be assessed by palpating the peripheral pulse, peripheral, P-E-R-I-P-H-E-R-A-L, peripheral pulse. P-E-R-I-P-H-E-R-A-L, peripheral pulse, or by using stethoscope, or by using a stethoscope, or by using a stethoscope, S-T-E-T-H-O-S-C-O-P, stethoscope, to listen to the heart sound, to listen to the heart sound, S-O-U-N-D, to listen to the heart sound. Stethoscope is used for what? For listening your heartbeat. Understand? So stethoscope to listen to your heart sound. In bracket you write down apical pulse. In bracket you write down apical pulse. Apical, A-P-I-C-A-L, apical, A-P-I-C-A-L, apical pulse, P-U-L-S-E, pulse, full stop. Apical pulse, P-U-L-S-E, pulse, full stop. Now next you write down characteristics of pulse. Characteristics of pulse. See, for this pulse you will have to draw one diagram of a stethoscope. Okay, then you will have to draw the 9 sides of taking pulse, which I will be showing to you. Okay, I will give a screen. I will share a screen later on. So now you write down characteristics of pulse. C-H-A-R-A-C-T-R-I-C-T-I-C-S, characteristics of pulse. Write down. Pulse may have characteristics of, pulse may have the characteristics of, pulse may have the characteristics of, pulse may have the characteristics of rate, R-A-T, rate, Pulse may have the characteristics of rate, RAT, rate, comma, rhythm, RYTHM, rhythm.
Ma'am, after rate.
Rate, comma, rhythm, RYTHM. RYTHM, rhythm, comma, volume, 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 comma, tension, 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 and equality. Tension and equality, EQUALITY, equality. So in my next class, I will ask Mercy to tell me the meaning of rate. Okay, RAT, rate. You will have to tell me the meaning of rate. Then Rohan, you tell me the meaning of rhythm. Then Hasina Johari, you tell me the meaning of volume. Okay, VOLUME, volume. Then for tension, Tau Yati, you tell me the meaning of tension. And then Anya is present. And okay, and Gordas, you tell me the meaning of equality. Okay, did you get it? All of you? You will have to tell me the meaning of all these words. Okay, and say it properly so that all of your friends can listen to it properly. Okay, search for it and you tell me in the next class tomorrow. Next, you write below rate, RAT, rate, RAT, rate, and write down rate is the number of pulse beat. Rate is the number of pulse beat in a minute. Rate is the number of pulse beat in a minute. MINUT, minute. Rate is the number of pulse beat in a minute. MINUT, minute. Full stop. The average pulse rate of a young adult is, the average pulse rate of a young adult is 72 beats per minute. Is 72 beats per minute. Pulse rate ranges between
Of a young.
of a young adult, ADULT, adult. Of a young adult, ADULT, adult is 72 beats per minute. Pulse rate ranges between 70 to 80 beats per minute. Ranges between 70 to 80 beats per minute. So rate is the number of pulse beat. Okay. So for normal adult, it is 72 beats per minute, and the normal range is in between 70 to 80 beats per minute. You have to remember all this.
72 beats per minute. Ma'am. I'm 70 beats per minute. Ma'am, pulse rate B.
Pulse rate ranges between pulse rate ranges between RNGS ranges between mane tumhar normal range to, okay. Pulse rate ranges between 70 to 80 beats per minute. 70 to 80 beats per minute. 70 to 80. If your pulse rate is in between 70 to 80 in a normal adult, then it is known as normal heartbeat. And the normal accurate range per minute is 72. Okay, for normal adult. But again, for babies, it will be different. Okay, for old age, it will be different. For adult, it is different. I will give you the table later on. Okay, I will tell you. Full stop. Then you write common variation. Common variation in heart rate. Common variation. Common variation. Common. 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 Common variation in heart rate may be. Common variation in heart rate may be Write down tachycardia. Tachycardia. Underline the word tachycardia. Tachycardia. Tachy. Tachy. Then cardia. Cardia. Tachycardia. Please underline the word and then write down. Write down the meaning of tachycardia. That is pulse rate above 100 beats per minute. When your pulse rate increases up to 100 beats per minute, it is known as tachycardia. Okay, you might have stroke if your heartbeat increases to 100 beats per minute. Okay, it is not normal,
That is
it is abnormal. Tachycardia is the pulse rate above 100 beats per minute. Above 100 beats per minute. Next, you write down bradycardia. 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 Write down. That is bradycardia. That is pulse rate below 60 beats per minute. Pulse rate below 60 beats per minute. So if your pulse rate is below 60, it is known as bradycardia. If your pulse rate is above 100, it is known as tachycardia. Okay, both are abnormalities. Full stop. Apical pulse. Write down apical pulse. Apical. A-P-I-C-A-L. Apical pulse. Apical pulse rate. R-A-T-E rate. Apical pulse rate should be checked when apical pulse rate should be checked when tachycardia or bradycardia should be checked when tachycardia or bradycardia is observed in a patient. Observed in a patient. O-B-S-C-R-P-E-D. Observed in a patient. P-A-T-I-N-E. Is observed in a patient. Apical pulse rate should be checked when bradycardia or tachycardia is observed in a patient. Okay, full stop. Write down factors causing variations in pulse rate. Factors, F-A-C-T-O-R-S, factors causing variations in pulse rate. So why are these variations in pulse rate? Why does it happen? Tachycardia, bradycardia, why does it happen to a person? So you will have to know the factors behind it. Okay, so write down factors causing variation, V-A-R-I-A-T-I-O-N, variation in pulse rate. Variation in pulse rate. Number one, Donald, you write below, you write number one, age, A-G-E-H. Age, A-G-E-H. Age, put a dash and write down. Pulse rate decreases normally. Pulse rate decreases, D-C-R-E-S-E-S. Pulse rate decreases normally. Pulse rate decreases normally. Pulse rate decreases normally with advancement of age. With the advancement of age. With the advancement of age. With the advancement of age. But in old age, O-L-D, old age, A-G-H, but in old age, this may be due to, but in old age, this may be due to a weak heart. This may be due to a weak heart, weak, W-E-A-K, weak. This may be due to a weak heart or medications. Old age people, they mostly suffer from heart attack, they mostly suffer from diabetes, hypertension, so they take many kinds of medications. Okay, and the mgs are also so much, the medications are so high in there, the antibiotics are so much high, that because of which there is a risk of having this increased pulse rate or else decreased pulse rate. Okay, that is bradycardia or else tachycardia. Okay, you do one thing, please join the class again because it's less than 1 minute. Please join the class again.